Struggling to wake up early and stay consistent?
Waking up at 5 a.m. can completely change your productivity and mindset. Today, I'm going to show you how to make waking up at 5 a.m. a lasting habit. Let's dive in. Waking up early is backed by science. Your body's cortisol levels peak in the morning, boosting energy and focus. Studies show that early risers tend to be more productive and they tackle tasks with more clarity and efficiency. So, waking up early is not just about having more hours in the day, it's about using that time effectively. Tip 1. The key to waking up at 5 a.m. is preparation. The night before, get your clothes ready, set up your breakfast, and plan the first 30 minutes of your morning. Tip 2. Don't make drastic changes to your sleep time. Gradually adjust by 15 minutes earlier each night until you're waking up at 5 a.m. Tip 3. Don't hit snooze. Place your alarm across the room, and as soon as it rings, get out of bed to turn it off. Consistency is the most important factor. Make waking up early a habit by sticking to it every day, even on weekends. If you slip up, don't give up. Celebrate small wins along the way, like tracking your progress in a journal or treating yourself after completing a successful week. We all face struggles, whether it's feeling too tired, breaking your streak, or getting distracted. The key is not to quit. Keep reminding yourself of your why you want to wake up at 5 a.m. and don't be afraid to adjust when needed. There you have it, how to wake up at 5 a.m. and actually stick to it. Remember, it's about consistency, preparation, and overcoming challenges. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your morning routine goals. Let's start making our mornings count.